much the same for me. Like nature, technology, it's two different sides of one the same thing. I do the same things with both of them.
You don't. You just have to start from beginning, how you're born.
Because every single person has his knowledge now on the internet or on the computer or on CDs or on DVDs, even on the cloud. So these things are available to us now, which is a very, very, very good thing. Thank you technology, thank you internet, thank you computer for bringing us more closer to the nature.
I feel that technology is a kind of shortcut, and this is useful for the humankind in order to make the time shorter, to command something, to make something happen.
The nature is unique and every time it's special, so if I can record it.
Rivers rivers are life, the biggest net in the world. River and water.